we need to just kind of establish that this is the apartment. This is how we made The Sound of Violet, day 16. We are shooting today at a hotel, and I'm going to show you a little bit about how we're doing it. This is our set, this is our location where we're filming, and because we have a lot of equipment and actors, we have to stage everything down the hall in another hotel room. So here we are walking down the hall, and we have some awesome PAs doing what we call fire watch, which is looking after the equipment, making sure no one takes it. And then here we are. This is where all the equipment is, where we're staging things, where we're having meals. So this gives you a little glimpse of what it's like to film in a hotel. Yay! Nicole, can you get Megan to bring over some of her clothes? We just need to put them in. Action!
I was just close to getting another girl in this room, so I got your text.
Michael Bell. I play Anton. Playing a pimp.
This is not just a movie plot. This is happening. There's an Anton out there right now doing this to somebody.
The man is high right now. You know what? I think you might need a little taste of something. Whatever you want. Need a little pick-me-up? You want something stronger? More? Done.
Cut.